Hey friends, if you encounter parser returned error 0xc00ce508 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to enable .NET or framework on your system. Search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on turn Windows features on or off. And then wait for it to load. You can enable .NET from here. And the last solution is to perform system restore on your computer. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar. Open the recovery window. Go to open system restore. Choose a different restore point. Next, choose a good restore point. Next, finish and then click on yes to do the needful. Initiate the system restore process. Now, returning to the Windows features page, you can expand the list for .NET framework and make sure that all of these options are checked. Click on OK after that. It will start searching for required files and fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.